Jim Bob Trigger, this one's for you. Hello, welcome to our kitchen. We're gonna do an LA street dog. I'm going off memory because I haven't had one of these things since I lived on Grand and Adams way back when.
Was it the Rams game? Did I have one then?
No. I got shot at though, remember?
I did not get shot. Those are fireworks. I think coming out of the club academy, like I guess a year and a half ago.
So we're both going off memory. Have I made one?
You have.
I don't know. So,
but you did it wrong.
That sounds right, because I always try to do something stupid. LA street dogs. They're probably world famous, right?
Yeah. They're popular. I think it's like $8 now.
Damn.
Does Pink's have one? LA street dog?
I don't think so. I was looking on YouTube just to get ideas. There wasn't any good ones on YouTube. It was just them like going through LA and looking at the vendor make it and all that. But we're gonna do it a little bit better because we're gonna use a Costco dog. And that's a 1/4 pound, 4 ounces. I never had a Costco hot dog.
$1.25 with the drink.
That's insane. Like, you can't beat that. So I bought like a package of Costco hot dogs. They're freaking huge. Froze them, man, because I can't eat that many. Look at this thing. That's huge. Don't say it.
Does that include that's what she said?
Yes.
Wow, that is really hard. You really think you can go all day long? You always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
That's what she said.
Looks like it's 8.
If it was a lesser dog, I would like slice it. Jim Bob Trigger, he sliced it.
Yeah, little slices here.
The Costco dog says it's the same that they serve at Costco.
It is.
Well, there you go. She has a card. So someone said to put Pico de Gallo on it. I think it would work with this because it'll add some freshness to like all the sauteed vegetables. We're gonna start with the basic pico. Tomato, jalapeños, some onion. I have half a lamb, so bear with me. For the buns, you will be disappointed. Sesame seed buns. This was all they had the last time I cooked hot dogs, and there was like a 12-pack, so that's what I'm using. I'm not gonna buy more buns. Freeze! Took like 10 minutes to defrost. Bell peppers, a bunch of roasted jalapeños on there. I'm gonna cut it in half.
Are you gonna slice them?
Nah, I'm just gonna cut it in half.
Just half? You're supposed to cut it in strips.
Everybody does it different, man.
But that's so it's like evenly.
I didn't wake you up for this
It's
harassment.
evenly proportioned in every bite.
So you put mayonnaise and sour cream?
Mexican crema. Yeah.
Man, the bacon is thick. This is a 1/4. We're using 2 slices too. I think they only use 1, right? This is a 1/4 pound of bacon and a 1/4 pound hot dog. So that's half a pound of processed meat. All right, now we're gonna slice the bell pepper. Slice it any way you want. I think I cut it different every time, so. It's steamy on the inside, crispy on the outside. They should serve these things with ribs, hot dogs, hamburgers.
The experience is licking your fingers.
Hell no.
The smoked paprika makes it.
Use the Costco dog. Double bacon. Pico de Gallo. I'm sold. But definitely use the smoked paprika, like she said. It sets it off a little bit. And there you have it, people.
And the crema.
There's so much going on, man. You can leave one of the things out, you'll be fine. Make sure you get a substantial bun, because this thing's, it's like the kitchen sink, man. It's got everything. Thank you, like and subscribe. What else did I say? We're out.
Make sure to share, turn on the post notification.
Yeah.